48th Maintenance Group was selected for the Secretary of Defense field level maintenance in the large category, which was actually the second time in a row that the group was selected, and the Munitions Squadron was selected for the Secretary of Defense field level maintenance in the medium category. These are some of the Department of Defense's top awards and recognizes the achievements in weapons system and military equipment maintenance across all services and branches. Besides generating USAP's largest flying hour program and deploying it into Inherent Resolve, as well as multiple different locations across the European theater, the team did it with professionalism and expertise. While the crew chief launches the aircraft, it takes the entire wing to generate the sortie. This phenomenal achievement could not have been accomplished without the support of airmen across the entire wing. On behalf of the maintenance group, congratulations, Team Livia.